Fuel4Media Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Fuel4Media and related resources can be found in the description below. Fuel4Media is a digital marketing and e-commerce solutions provider that has added dropshipping services to its portfolio, aiming to help online retailers streamline operations, drive traffic, and boost conversions. Designed for small to medium-sized e-commerce businesses, Fuel4Media offers everything from product sourcing and branding consultation to targeted marketing campaigns. One of its key features is the end-to-end service model. Fuel4Media integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms, manages supplier relationships, and deploys marketing strategies optimized for each store's target audience. This approach reduces the workload for business owners, allowing them to focus on curating product selections and building customer loyalty. Additionally, Fuel4Media's in-house expertise in SEO, social media ads, and conversion rate optimization can be a boon for sellers who want to scale quickly but lack the time or skills to manage complex campaigns. As for strengths, Fuel4Media's combination of technical know-how and marketing focus sets it apart from typical dropshipping apps or agencies. Clients often praise the personalized attention they receive, including custom marketing plans that highlight a store's unique selling proposition. Moreover, Fuel4Media's connections with reputable suppliers can help mitigate the common risks associated with dropshipping, such as lengthy shipping times or subpar product quality. Their analytics-driven approach ensures that data from campaigns and store performance is consistently monitored, enabling faster pivots and continuous improvement. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. Smaller sellers on tight budgets may find Fuel4Media's fees challenging to justify, especially if they're not ready to invest heavily in marketing. Additionally, while Fuel4Media's integrated model is convenient, it may limit flexibility for store owners who want full control over every aspect of their operations. The platform's success in areas like SEO and paid advertising also hinges on consistent investment over time, which might not suit entrepreneurs looking for quick wins without sustained effort. Overall, Fuel4Media is a compelling option for online retailers seeking a comprehensive dropshipping and digital marketing solution under one roof. Its expertise in e-commerce marketing, supplier vetting, and analytics can significantly streamline operations and accelerate growth, provided store owners are prepared to invest in both the service and the ongoing promotional efforts. Check the links in the description to learn more and decide if Fuel4Media's offerings align with your business goals.